In the spring we made a boat out of feathers, out of bones. We set fire to our homes, walking barefoot in the snow. Distant rhythm of the drum as we drifted towards the storm. Baby lion lost his teeth, now they're swimming in the sea. Troubled spirits on my chest, where they lay to rest. The birds all left, my tall friend, as your body hit the sand. Million stars up in the sky formed a tiger's eye that looked down on my face, out of time and out of place. So hold on to what we are. Hold on to your awakened by the sound of a screaming owl, chasing leaves in the wind, going where we've never been. Said goodbye to you, my friend, as the fire spread. All that's left are your bones that will soon sink like stones. So hold on to what we